Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today's videos would be on recycling items in honor of Earth Day month. So let's start with one of this tin can. I just opened it in a way that it has a lid open like that, and I painted with white acrylic paint and chalk paint, and then I gave one more coat of light pink acrylic paint, and after it's dried I just took one of this spring themed napkin and I just cut down the part where it has spring is in the air, and I'm taking this Smart Pouch and I'm smearing it with a paintbrush gently, and I'm just gently pressing the letters where the letters are shown, and also half of the wreath should show up because I have a plan with that. So I'm just gently brushing down to remove the air bubbles. Now it's stuck and dried. This is how it looks after it's dried. So I'm just inserting some foam in there, and then I inserted yellow and lavender color flowers because those were matching the wreath on the side, if you can see. So I wanted to give like little pop of a yellow color and lavenders on the top. So this is one of it. So let me know what you think. So this video will be part of Craft Your Stash collab, hosted by Lisa from Crafting the Best Life with Lisa and Jessica from Blue Lala. So I'm going to link the crafting channels of these two creative ladies in my description box, as well as link to the playlist. So please watch all of our videos and give lots of love. Let's move on to DIY number 2. For this I just took some of this medicinal bottles that I use. So I just want to give a new makeover to this. So I'm going to paint all of them with this white acrylic paint, and using this thin tape I'm just arranging it in a straight line, and I'm also going to take a tiny bit of it and place it just next to this tape, and then I'm going to attach another straight line so it just gives the equal gap between the lines. You know what I'm saying, right? You're going to see that in just a second. So I'm going to do this for all of these containers which I already painted, and they are dried like you can see, and I'm going to remove all those tiny bits, and then I'm going to paint it with. So I mix this violet plastic surface paint and also white acrylic paint to get like a nice lavender color there, and then I'm going to paint this container all over with lavender color, but I expected a little lighter tone, but somehow it turned to be a little darker than what I expected. So this is one of it. The other one I'm going to paint with pink, another one with blue, baby blue. So I'm actually trying to do with all pastel colors, but this turned out to be a little darker than what I expected. So then the next one is this pink color, and I'm going to paint all over it, and the other one is Ceramcoat baby pink, and this all are dry. Now I'm going to pull off the tape. This is more satisfying part. I just love this part, and when I'm peeling off, some of the paint came off, but I also adjusted it later off screen. I just fill those gaps with those appropriate paints. Now I'm just mixing this red and pink color to get this beautiful color coral roses that I wanted to give there. So I just gave like dots everywhere, and then I'm drawing with the Sharpie to highlight those flowers. Those are basically roses that I was planning to do, and this is how they all look after they are painted. And these are the beautiful florals. Actually, I don't know what these are. They are so pretty. They are in so many colors in Dollar Tree. So I picked 3 of them, and I'm going to alternatively place all these into this container, and this is how they look. Aren't they pretty? I love it. So then I just filled it with the Spanish moss on the top, and I thought this was looking good, but I also wanted to add one of the zigzag ribbon, and I just attached onto the top for all 3 containers, and this turned out to be a beautiful, I would say like vintage container with all those spring color florals on top. So this is one of the makeover to this medicinal bottle. I thought like I should not throw it and decorate instead. So yeah, this is one of it that I want to share with you all today. So let me know what you think. I think I love it. So yeah, I want to hear your thoughts though. Let's move on to DIY number 3. For this, I just got one of this tin container. I painted the same way, white and pink. I also got this beautiful floral, rose florals napkin from Dollar Tree, and they're so beautiful. And then for each napkin, it comes like 4 different pieces of the roses. So I just took 2 of them, and then I just peeled off one layer, and then I got it to a 1 ply, and I'm just going to attach this to this tin container. So I'm just taking Mod Podge like I did earlier. I'm just taking enough Mod Podge, and I'm spreading it with a paintbrush, and then I'm carefully giving a strokes to the outward, so all the air bubbles are removed, and I'm going to do that for the other piece as well. So I'm going to show that after it's completely done in just a second. And I gave one more coat of Mod Podge to seal the design. Now I'm going to fill in with all these tiny florals. I wanted to match all those florals that are inside the napkin florals. So I just gave like blue, white and pink. And yeah, this is another cute container, and I'm so happy how this turned out. So let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 4. For this, I'm going to use this Play-Doh containers. So I painted these with this pink acrylic paint, and I mixed little bit of a gray to it to get this beautiful dusty pink. And after it's dried, I'm just taking a white acrylic paint. Using earbuds, I'm just drawing dots and creating a daisy flower, I think. So I just want to give like a nice spring flowers there. So I'm just drawing dots and creating flowers in an alternate pattern. In the center, I'm going to put a yellow dot to give like a pop of a color there. So yeah, this is how it looks after all the flowers are drawn. Now I'm taking this yellow paint, and I'm adding a dot in the center to create a beautiful flower there. And I'm going to do the opposite now. I'm going to do the white in the center and yellow around. So this is how these 2 containers look. Now I'm taking this styrofoam and giving hot glue, and I'm just sticking to the base of it. On top, I'm just covering it with Spanish moss, and now I'm inserting one of them with white roses that I also made roll roses from a tissue paper. I'll show it another day. And I just attached to those plastic floral stems that I already used, so they are just lying, so I just used them as florals, and the other one is the yellow florals. So yeah, these are the 2 floral containers or planters that are made from this Play-Doh container. So this is another one that I wanted to share with you all today, and I think they turned out great. So let me know what you think. Let's move on to DIY number 5. For this, I'm going to use 2 of these tea strainers. They are gone bad, they got rusted, so I'm going to paint these 2 with this white chalk paint. And after the paint is dried, I'm going to take some of this foam, and then I just fill it in the back. Now I'm going to insert flowers into that, and this is how it turned out with the pink flowers. And then I'm going to do the same with this blue flowers on the other one. Oh, I like them already. Now I'm just making 2 of these bows. I'm going to attach pink bow on the blue one and the yellow one on this pink strainer. So this is how it turned out. So I just wanted to add some more florals on the center there. So I just took like opposite colors, and then I just attached onto this bow to finish the look. Isn't this beautiful? I just love the look of it. And then this could be a nice wall hanging, or can decorate anywhere around the house. I'm so happy how this turned out. I think this is my favorite today. And the tea strainer, I didn't want to throw it. I just wanted to give some nice makeover to it. And this is something that I wanted to share with you all today. I hope you like it too. This is the bonus DIY. I wanted to give like nice makeover to one of this lotion container. So I'm just going to take a pinch of this plastic surface paint, and I just mix a little bit of this white acrylic paint, and I painted all over this container. Now after the container dry, I'm going to draw white dots, and then I converted those into white roses, and I'm just spreading the paint just like that, and I'm going to create roses out of it. And I gave like a red dot in the center, and then I also drew the borders to highlight those roses with the Sharpie. You're going to see that in just a second. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just drawing black lines all around to give like a roses there. And this is something that I just added flowers for now, but I'm going to make homemade lotion and fill in this container and reuse this container again. So yeah, this is another one that I wanted to give a nice makeover to it and use it around the house. So this is another one of it. So let me know what you think as well. If you'd like to connect with me on social media, these are some of the handles that you can use. Now we have reached to the final part of the video, which is the final reveal of all the DIYs today. I thoroughly enjoyed making all of the decor DIYs, and we are giving a new life to the containers that we could have thrown into the trash. And I'm so happy how these turned out today. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. If you like some of these ideas and you would like to join with the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join. And don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get updated when I upload videos like this. So I wanted to let you enjoy the final reveal, and I want to thank each and every one of you for taking some time and watching this video and making my day here. Thank you so much, you guys. Until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.